This update is coming in from the violence-hit state of Manipur. Massive rally in Churachandpur now calls for political resolution in Manipur. In a significant demonstration of unity, thousands of Kuki-Zo tribal community members marched through the streets of Churachandpur and they demanded a political solution to the ongoing ethnic conflict in Manipur. The rally, organized by Indigenous Tribal Leaders Forum (ITLF), started at Churachandpur public ground and concluded at the Wall of Remembrance. Let me tell you, it is the memorial honoring nearly 200 tribal lives lost during this entire turmoil. And participants carried the placards with very powerful messages such as "No political solution, no peace, Union territory for the Kuki-Zo people right now," expressing their urgent call for action. There were a lot of key speakers at the event. There was the ITLF chairman, and there were other people where they were seen giving speeches about the cause for which this entire the rally was taken out. And this rally particularly underscores the deep-seated issues faced by the Kuki-Zo community and their strong desire for peaceful and lasting resolution to the ethnic strife in Manipur. This is what they had to say about this entire rally that was taken out with an objective that a permanent solution will be brought to the state of Manipur, which has been the most violence hit state in the entire country for last 1.5 year now, almost a 1.5 year it would be. So we have seen that a lot of problems have been hitting on the state of Manipur since 2023's May, and now it's 2024 April. We have seen that no solution has been brought. But the violence has come down. We have seen that now people are taking out peaceful rallies demanding peace, demanding political resolution in Manipur. But we have seen that no such solution as the people of the state have stated that no permanent solution or no political resolution have been brought for Manipur in order to stop the violence that the state of Manipur has seen in the last, we can say, 1.5 years, if not at least a year now. So a lot of devastation has been seen by the people of Manipur. Now they are seeking for peace. Now they are seeking for resolution. At least the rally that has been taken out today definitely speaks a lot that a lot of things have not changed in Manipur, but the ways of protest seems to be changing in Manipur. This is Preeti Priyadarshini reporting for CNN News 18.